RotaCloud has a number of handy tools to help you easily build your rota. Copy Shift, Copy Week, and Copy Custom Range. Copy Shift will allow you to copy an individual shift to other dates and employees. You can do this by holding down the Shift button on your keyboard, then clicking and dragging the shift you want to copy. To copy a week of shifts, select Copy Week from the Copy drop-down menu. Then select the week you want to paste the shift pattern and click Paste. You can also use the Copy Custom Range tool to copy a selection of shifts and paste them multiple times over a longer duration. This is great if you have shifts that don't change or people on repeated rolling rotas. To use Copy Custom Range, go to the Rotas page and select Copy, then Copy Custom Range.